months, and definitely I'm not going to take the credit of it because there's a lots and lots of energy, time, and interest as well as knowledge of photography that is put in, and I just collaborated it as a curator, and it was a very tough task, not an easy job for me at all, because there were a lot of sleepless nights because each and every time a photo was selected, it has to be a reason why it is getting selected, not just because of a photography intent, but the content of the magazine, the way it is going to sync with the magazine was the more important to it. Now before we go on to the slide, we would like to make one announcement to all to charge you up a bit, okay? Because I don't like people very calm and calm. Because in school I was always given a complaint that I talk a lot and disturb a lot. I love that attitude to happen nowadays. So tomorrow we are coming here at 7 AM in the morning for a nature photo walk. How many of you know about it? Raise your hand. So less hands, and that's the reason why this announcement is out there. So tomorrow 7 AM we have the mentor Indranil sir out here as well. So he will be joining us at 7 AM in the morning, just at the time when the sun is going to rise, and we will be here. We will be taking some macro photographs of flowers. We will also, if we are very lucky, we will get some cobras as well. Sir, we saw something last time. We will find again tomorrow. Don't worry, we have ways to click it and then ask them to go. Sir is very much known to how to do that one. So this is a special announcement to all the volunteers for the lovely job they have done. Tomorrow, if they are coming out there with their mobile phones, we will be not charging them for the photo walk. Come on, wake up now. Raise your hand. Tomorrow is the photo walk. You know now. Who all knows the photo walk tomorrow? Yeah. Come on, I still don't find all the hands up. Who all knows about the photo walk tomorrow? Come on, all the hands must be up. And for the volunteers who will be wearing those t-shirts with VIBGYOR logo, I can see my VIBGYOR logo all across, out there on the chest. For them it will be free of cost, not with any random t-shirts. For you guys it will be free of cost. Actually, to be very honest, the entry fee is for the camera fee which MFP takes. We are not charging for it. But that's the reason why if you are coming with your mobile phones, they will not charge you. Definitely I will not charge you as well. So that's free for you as well. Okay? I need some sound. That's the spirit. So now I'm feeling that I'm talking to people. So the slideshow has started. So I will not go by the name because even I got confused. So many photographs it was there. So I'll not go by the name, but there are the things that I want to tell you that why the photographs were actually. So see this kind of photograph, people those who are in photography. This is not a very easy photograph. If you see the timing of the photograph is exactly when there is a sunrise. So you see, people those who do wildlife photography, timing is very, very important to get a very good photograph. I think Nimalada will also agree with the point, Yuvraj sir will agree with the point. You cannot just randomly go and click some photographs to get this photo. Okay, what we call out there, if you see out on the eye, there is a light, we call a catch light. Okay, so if you remove that catch light, the depth of the eye goes off immediately, and immediately the power, the way the photograph attracts you also goes off. Now, before we move on to the next slide, let me tell you one very frank thing. Many of times we have happened that we have seen a photograph and you have told, "Arey, photo bahut acha hai. Now this photo, the photograph is really good." Whoever has done that, so I need answers. Yes, yeah. So this happens due to science. There is nothing like a formula that there is a calculation that happens to make you feel that. It's a science of visuality. It's a subconscious to all human beings, how we look into some things. Okay? Photography actually connects that science of visuality. So this photograph of the bird. Now this one, if you go, this is also again a macro shot which is done absolutely at the ground level. People, those who do photography, for them surf excel is good. Daag अच्छे होते हैं. Okay? So remember, daag अच्छे होते हैं. They have to go down. Don't worry about the clothes. You may go for a mesh, but the photographs come good. Now look at the timing of the photograph out there. Okay? You may find a lot of squirrels, but the timing is very important in photography. That's how your skill set grows the more you practice it. Okay, this is something we call patterns. Okay, maybe due to the screen there are some wires that is more not giving the clear picture, but these are called patterns in photography. So this is a very subtle kind of photography. It is not so easy the way it looks like. It's not so easy at all. Okay, this is one of my favorite because getting this posture, getting this like now there is a lot of arrangement that you need to do. Get this photograph, you need to learn that. Okay, so this is one of my favorite. Next. Okay, so this photograph usually that goes with the tagline of some wildlife photograph. But the point is, if you are a wildlife photographer, this is a bliss. The timing, because you need luck to get this one. Otherwise, you will never get this. You need luck to get to see this one. Okay. Okay, can anyone guess what exactly these are? Yeah, what is this? Okay, frog eggs. Now, do you have any idea actually how much these are of sizes? These are this much, but not even your nail tip. Okay.
3 mm.
3 mm. Okay, this is only this much. Getting this photograph, trust me, is not so easy. You need to do a lot of studies. You need to do a lot of homework. You need to do a lot of previous working on it, and then only you will get this one. So as I said, just getting the photograph was not my effort. I just curated it. So this is the one. Okay, next. Okay, one more upgrade. One more fantastic timing. Okay, again, this one is very interesting because in photography something we have called the leading lines. Okay, so if you see the lines are leading to one of the subject, go towards the green. Okay, next. Okay, this is one more macro, which is very good. Now, let me tell you specifically when you are clicking something yellow or orange, there is a challenge of photography because those are very vibrant colors. So getting the perfect focus is very difficult on these kind of colors. No, I think I don't need to speak about this because this is only like absolutely overwhelming. Few more temples out here. But this is something that you can expect in tomorrow's session as well. We'll be getting a lot of flowers. Last week we had a flower show out here, and it is your luck that those tubs are still there. So we'll be getting a lot of flowers ready for tomorrow's clip. I can see some smiling faces. It gives me a lot of energy. Thank you. Okay, next. See, underwater photography is again a very different chapter. It needs totally some different arrangement of gadgets and all. But yes, definitely that is a part which you need to also cater. Next. If you see this photograph, maybe you will be saying that it is just a random tree, nothing else. But getting the sun rays from there, you need to understand how to keep the settings of your camera, how to process it after you click. So you need to understand that as well. Okay, next. Oh, one more underwater. So it's a fabulous photograph. Look at this. It's just a fly. It's nothing but a fly. Previous image. If you can notice, even in this enlarged image, you can see all the tentacles. You can see the eyes properly. You can see the texture properly. Want to ask something? Okay. So the point is, only gadget will not let you get this image. You need to understand the way. You need to understand knowledge sharing, as everyone says, is a very important factor. Otherwise, only your gadgets will not get these photographs. Okay, this is one more pattern. So we must be seeing this leaf so many times. But understanding a pattern, finding a pattern from the natural habitat is what your photographic eye is going to give you. Oh, look at this, lovely. This is one of my favorite. So we have seen a lot of tadpoles, we have seen a lot of frogs. What we are seeing out here is that the photographer has actually implanted a flash on the other side and then he has clicked. So what you see out here is a silhouette image of the frog. Next one. Okay, this particular image I want to talk about because I think we shot this for at Anduk pumping station if I'm not wrong, and we were having an event out there, and we had I think close to almost all the photographers got a very good session of clicks because there were few more birds like this who were going on coming to take the nectar out of those flowers. So you see the point is when you are close to nature and you need to understand how the birds move, how they try to get nectars and all. So those walks are required. Yeah, that's I think we are done. So, but the point is it's not so simple as the way the slide should be. So each and every photograph there are a lot of sweat and a lot of learning behind it, a lot of investment of time. I will always cater the investment of time than the investment on gadget because today I think we all know how to build money, spend money, but time is something that we cannot build. We are investing a lot of time to get one such photograph. So thanks to all the VIBGYOR members, those who have participated for this particular magazine, and I think tomorrow also we have lots of giveaways just to give you more motivation. So we have the first prize right on spot. Okay, so tomorrow we are not going to send you back home just like that. We have on spot contest. So first prize is something which is worth around 6,000 rupees. Second is around 3,000. Third is 2,000. More motivation. Come on, like I need to find things getting lucrative to you. More. Yeah, the photography which we are doing tomorrow. So you have to submit the photographs on spot. Yuvraj sir will select photographs right away, and right after the